India is hosting the world's biggest AI summit. 70,000 people, leaders from dozens of nations, billions in investment announcements. India positioning itself as a global AI superpower. But here's the uncomfortable truth. India is trying to govern artificial intelligence with a 26-year-old law that was written before smartphones existed. The Information Technology Act of 2000 contains zero provisions for AI, machine learning, or machine-based decision-making. Yet this is the law that courts are being forced to apply to AI disputes in 2026. Cyber expert Pawan Duggal doesn't mince words. India has no dedicated AI law, no national cybersecurity framework for AI systems, and no clear answers on who's liable when AI causes harm. Think about it. If an AI system autonomously makes a decision that harms someone and you can't clearly identify the developer, deployer, or user as responsible, the victim has no legal recourse. None. While India debates voluntary guidelines, 6 jurisdictions already have dedicated AI laws. The EU's Comprehensive AI Act, China's Generative AI regulations, South Korea, Japan, Hungary, and even El Salvador. India just passed new rules requiring AI-generated content to be labeled. That's progress, but it's not enough. It doesn't address liability, bias, transparency, or security. The foundational questions an AI law must answer. The stakes: national security. When AI powers banking, healthcare, and defense systems without proper security standards, we are not just talking regulatory gaps. We are talking vulnerabilities. India's AI ambition is real. The legal infrastructure to match that ambition? Overdue. With Debagna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.